Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from the indomitable spirit. A warm good morning and namaste to all. Myself, Abhinandas, studying class 11. On behalf of Sri Valvanad Vidya Bhavan, I am here to present a PowerPoint presentation on the topic International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. So, for an introduction, June 26th, it is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. It was established by United Nations General Assembly in 1987. This day serves as a reminder of the goals agreed to the member states of creating an international society free of drug abuse. The theme for 2021 related to drug abuse and illicit trafficking is Share Drug Facts to Save Life. It aims to combat misinformation and encouraging the exchange of drug facts. So, what are drugs? Drugs are the chemicals that alter, block or mimic chemical reactions in the brain. This causes an alternate of the body's normal process, causing physical or mental changes. There are two types of drugs, legal and illegals. Legal examples are cigarette smoking, alcohol, antipsychotic medicine, sedative, etc. Illegal drugs like methamphetamine injections, marijuana, bhang, etc. Then, why people are taking drugs? In search of peace, euphoria, kick, calm, pleasurable, relaxation, etc. Why not to take drugs? What are the causes? That is health problem, psychological problems like anxiety, social problems, financial problems, drownesses, tremors, loss of energy and stamina, money, weight, etc. and common death by overdose. Then memory disorders, serious and liver diseases, infertility, loss of interest, violent attitude, etc. are the causes for taking drugs. This is a newspaper article related to the cases that had been caught in India related to the drugs. Now, what next to curb drugs or the solutions what we have to take is raise your voice and advocate. Stand up and speak out for it. You can conduct campaigns, then workshops, then you can post the facts related to the drug, not to take drugs through Facebook, Twitters, etc. Then you can use print media for that. Then attack that problem, not to that person's. Then psychotherapy, that is emotional and social supports. Then strong will, rehabilitation, stay away from addicts, creative activities. You can have a balanced nutrition, exercise, proper hobbies and sports. You can have yoga, meditation, pranayama. Now, you have seen that liquor with 52 crores was sold in Kerala after the lockdown when the bars were open. But what are these alcohol? Alcohol is the biggest legal drug problems. Irony is not considering it as a problem. Alcohol numbs the CNS and makes us like animals with less senses and memories. Absolutely unnecessary and devoid of any nutrition. It leads to heart attacks and cancer. Now, what are the solutions for it? Condemn and criticize alcohol consumptions. No need for alcohol in social functions. Keeping good health and yoga and sports. As a healthy professional, we have a great role in play in preventing and curbing AOD. Now, once again I am saying, raise your voice against not to take drugs. Don't experiment, say no to drugs and alcohol. Your future is your choice. Now, I am concluding my presentation. Thank you.